What's up? This is Sarika Tulsiani and you guys are watching the third part of syllogisms. Today in this video, we are going to mainly discuss the questions on negative conclusions. Now generally, most of the students are really scared of negative conclusions. So all I'm going to do is try to make it as simple as possible for you guys. So let's start with the video. So let's start with the first question. What does it say? It says all A's are B's. ठीक है? All A's are B's. So this becomes your diagram. Then you have no C is A. So no C is A. So please understand, your C and A cannot intersect. There is no connection between C and A. Okay? Now let's check the first conclusion. The first conclusion says no B is C. Okay? Now what are we supposed to do in negative conclusion? There are three steps which you are supposed to follow. The first is the visibility. Then you will try to prove the opposite. If you are able to prove the opposite, then it is not a conclusion. If you are not able to prove the opposite, then it is the correct conclusion. Okay? Of course, your first step, visibility, should be correct. Because if it is not visible, it is definitely not correct. So, check your first conclusion. No B is C. First you will check, is it visible in your diagram? No B is C. Yes, it is visible in the diagram. Now then you will try to prove the opposite of this. No B is C. The opposite will be some B's are C's. Okay? So can you make a single diagram where some B's are C's is possible? Now imagine, if I extend my B's this way, अगर मैंने extend कर दिया, then some B's can be C's. Understand? A and C cannot intersect. A और C में intersection नहीं हो सकता. But B and C, if required, can intersect. So, some B's are C's is possible. Now, since the opposite is possible, it is not a correct conclusion. ठीक है? Because understand, when is a statement a conclusion? A statement is a conclusion when it is true always. But in this case, you could prove the opposite. Because the opposite is correct, it is not the right conclusion. Okay? So this is a wrong conclusion. Now we go to conclusion number 2. No C is B. Basic diagram देखो, the red one. No C is B. So it is visible. तुम्हारा C और B में कोई connection नहीं है. It is visible. The opposite would be some C's are B's. Now understand, can some C's be B's? Is it possible? We have already made the diagram where some C's are already B's. The opposite is possible. I am not saying is it visible. I am saying is it possible. We could make the diagram where some C's are B's is possible. Now because the opposite is possible, this is also not the right conclusion. So neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. So that becomes your answer. Now let's see the next one. What does it say? Some zeros are not heroes. Now this statement will have two diagrams because we had seen some A's are not B's will have two diagrams. So I'll start with the second statement. All zeros are poor. ठीक है? All zeros are poor. Now some zeros are not heroes. Now this will have two diagrams. Some zeros are not heroes. ठीक है? Some zeros are not heroes. So these are the zeros which are not heroes. Now you are supposed to make both the diagrams whenever you tackle this sort of a statement. Okay, so now we are done with the statement. So let's start with the conclusion. See the first conclusion. All heroes are poor. It's a positive conclusion. तो अगर वो दिख रहा है तो वो correct है. If it is not visible, it is incorrect. All heroes are poor. All heroes are poor. All heroes are poor. नहीं दिख रहा है. So it is definitely incorrect. It's not visible. Now if we move to the second conclusion. Some poor are not heroes. Now understand, na? Some poor. So these are the poor which are not heroes. The entire poor are not these heroes. Okay, so visibly it is correct. Now you will try to check the opposite of this. So the opposite of this will be all poor are heroes. Okay, sorry, all poor are heroes. If you can make a single diagram where all poor are heroes, then the opposite will be correct. ठीक है? Now imagine, ये पूरा का पूरा poor, can I put inside this heroes? ठीक है? ये पूरा का पूरा poor, can I put inside this heroes? The answer is no, because some zeros are not heroes. So some zeros has to be outside. तो ये पूरा पुअर जो है वो हीरो के अंदर नहीं जा सकता. ठीक है? ऑल्सो ऑल दिस पुअर cannot go inside this because there is a cross here. So meaning all poors are heroes is not possible. Now because the opposite is not possible, it is a correct conclusion. ठीक है? So your answer becomes only conclusion 2 follows. ठीक है? Now moving on to the next question. So see what does it say. Some wealthy are healthy. Some healthy are not stealthy. Now see. Some wealthy are healthy. The next is some healthy are not stealthy. Will have 2 diagrams. So some healthy are not stealthy. Some healthy are not stealthy. So these are the healthy which have to be outside. They cannot be stealthy. ठीक है? So this is your diagram. Starting with the conclusion. See the first conclusion. Now be careful here. All wealthy are stealthy. It's a positive conclusion. So if it is visible, it is correct. If it is not visible, it is not correct. अगर वो दिख रहा है तो वो true है, नहीं दिख रहा है तो false है. All wealthy are stealthy. All wealthy are stealthy, not visible. All wealthy are stealthy, not visible. So it is not correct. See the second one. Some wealthy are not stealthy. Now be careful. Some wealthy are not stealthy. Yes, some wealthy are not stealthy. They have minimum intersection. That is okay. Some wealthy are not stealthy. This is also correct. They can have no intersection. So visibly it is correct. The opposite would be all wealthy are stealthy. Can you make a single diagram where all the wealthy can be stealthy? Now imagine करो ये पूरा का पूरा wealthy if I put inside this stealthy. ठीक है? If I put the entire wealthy inside this stealthy, is it wrong? So the answer is no, it is not wrong. Because देखो wealthy can go inside stealthy. Understand? Some part of healthy cannot go. Okay, so some part of healthy is already outside. So it is not going. But the entire wealthy can come inside stealthy. So the opposite is possible. Now because the opposite is possible, it is not a correct conclusion. ठीक है? It is not a correct conclusion. Now generally what do students do? The students mark the answer as neither one nor 2 follows. But observe very carefully. Some wealthy are not stealthy का opposite होता है all wealthy are stealthy, which is what we proved. मतलब you have 2 opposite statements. Both are wrong. Now try to understand one thing. Suppose if I say I passed the exam is wrong. I failed the exam is also wrong. Now it is not possible only. If I give the exam, I will either pass or fail. So two opposite statements cannot be wrong at the same time. So here you have two opposite statements and they are wrong at the same time. So in this case, your answer becomes either one or two follows. ठीक है, it is either one or two. So either or तभी ही आता है. Either or comes only when you have two opposite statements and both are wrong. उसके अलावा you will never get either or in your answer. So remember that. ठीक है. Now moving on to the next question. Okay, see what is given. No Maruti is a Fiat. So no Maruti is a Fiat. So they cannot intersect. Next is some Fiats are Toyotas. Some Fiats are Toyotas. Now if I ask you, can my Maruti and Toyota intersect some part? Yes, they can intersect. But because we don't know the relation, we are not making the relation. But they can intersect if required. Now starting with conclusion number 1. Now be careful here, they've given us 4 conclusions. Some Marutis are not Toyotas. Some Marutis are not Toyotas. Visibly it is correct. Opposite will be all Marutis are Toyotas. Now imagine karo. Can I put all the Marutis inside Toyotas? Is it possible? देखो, Maruti and Fiat cannot intersect. If I put my Maruti here, still my Maruti and Fiat are not intersecting. So it is correct. So all the Marutis can go inside Toyotas. The opposite is possible. And since the opposite is possible, it is not a correct conclusion. वो सही conclusion नहीं है. Now, moving on to conclusion number 2. See what is given. Some Fiats are not Toyotas. Some Fiats are not Toyotas, which is correct. Opposite would be all Fiats are Toyotas. Now, can I put all the Fiats inside Toyotas? Understand, your Fiats and Toyotas do not have a cross between them. उन दोनों के बीच में cross नहीं है. Also, there is no shaded part of Fiat which has to be outside. तो कोई shaded part भी नहीं है. So, opposite is all Fiats are Toyotas. So, if I extend my Toyotas, all the Fiats can come inside Toyotas. Opposite is possible. Since the opposite is possible, it is not a correct conclusion. Okay, it is not a correct conclusion. Next is all Marutis are Toyotas. It's a positive conclusion. So if it is visible, it is correct. If it is not visible, it is not correct. All Marutis are Toyotas. It is not visible. I am not asking whether it is possible. I am saying, is it visible? So it is not visible. So it is definitely wrong. And the last one, if you check, no Fiat is a Maruti. No Fiat is a Maruti. Visibly correct. Opposite will be some Fiats are Marutis. Can some Fiats and Marutis intersect? There is a cross between them. So that means they can definitely not intersect. Okay? So some Fiats can never be Marutis. So opposite is not possible. And because opposite is not possible, it is a correct conclusion. Okay? It is correct. Now fourth is definitely correct. Now between 1, 2 and 3, check if there is anything opposite. Because if there is anything opposite, you will get either or. Now some Marutis are not Toyotas. Opposite would be all Marutis are Toyotas. So first and third are opposite conclusions. Both are wrong. So your answer becomes either 1 or 3 and 4 follows. ठीक है, either 1 or 3 and 4 follows. That becomes your answer. So you have to be careful. You have to check if do you have opposite statements. Are both of them wrong? अगर दोनों wrong हो गया, so your answer becomes either or. ठीक है? Now moving on to the next question. Okay, so see what is given. No clock is a lock. ठीक है? No clock is a lock. ठीक है? Some docks are not blocks. So I don't have docks. I don't have blocks. I will not make this statement right now. No rock is a block. I don't know where to make a block. See the fourth one. All locks are rocks. So all locks are rocks. Now the question is, clock lock cannot intersect, but clock and rock, if required, can intersect. It is possible. ठीक है? Because they don't have a cross. Now see the third one. No rock is a block. So no rock is a block. ठीक है? And the second one, some docks are not blocks. So some docks are not blocks. So these docks cannot go inside blocks. And the other would be some docks are not blocks. There is no connection. So this becomes your final diagram. Now let's carefully start with the conclusions. See your conclusion number 1. Some locks are not clocks. Some locks are not clocks. Visibly correct. Opposite would be all locks are clocks. Can all the locks, ठीक है, be clocks? Can all the locks be clocks? There is a cross between them. So your locks and clocks cannot intersect only. So since the opposite is not possible, it is definitely a correct solution. ठीक है? It is definitely a correct solution. Now see the second one. See the second one. Some rocks are not clocks. Some rocks are not clocks. Visibly true. Opposite would be all rocks are clocks. Now imagine, can I put the entire rocks inside clocks? Can I put the entire rocks? The answer is no, because then locks ka part cannot go inside clocks. Because locks cannot go inside clocks, the entire rock cannot go inside clocks. So all rocks can never be clocks. So the opposite is not possible. And because the opposite is not possible, it is a correct conclusion. So your answer is both 1 and 2 follows. ठीक है? So in this case, the answer becomes 1 and 2 follows. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's see what does it say. All graphs are cakes. All graphs are cakes. ठीक है? Only some cakes are sports. Be careful, huh? Only some cakes are sports. So some of the cakes are definitely not sports because only some part has to be sports. ठीक है? All cakes are stones. So all the cakes are stones. ठीक है? No report is a graph. So this is your graph. No report is a graph. ठीक है? So this becomes your diagram. Now let's start with the first conclusion. What does it say? No report is a cake. No report is a cake. Visibly true. Opposite would be some reports are cakes. Now understand, can some reports be cakes? If I make my reports this way, ठीक है? Graph and report cannot intersect. But cake and report can intersect. So some reports can be cakes. So the opposite is possible. And because the opposite is possible, it is not a correct conclusion. Moving on to the next one. Some stones are not sports. ठीक है? Some stones are not sports. Visibly true. Opposite will be all the stones are sports. Now imagine karo, can you put the entire stones inside sports? Can I put the entire stones inside? The thing is, some part of cake has to be outside sports. ठीक है? Because of this statement, only some cakes are sports. So some cakes has to be outside. So some part of cake cannot go inside sports. So all the stones cannot be sports. It is not possible. Now because all stones are not sports, the opposite is, the opposite is all stones are sports. And all stones cannot be sports. So opposite is not possible. So it is a correct conclusion. Okay, so your answer becomes only conclusion 2 follows.
So guys, this was all about syllogisms on negative conclusions. I hope you guys have definitely understood. And if you have understood, please make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you share it with all your friends and family, whoever is appearing for competitive exams. So this is it from my side. Thank you so much.